sisters, and we are gonna show you how to make a watermelon shake with lychee bubbles. Yep. And our favorite thing about it is that it's yummy and tasty, and that it's made out of our favorite fruits, watermelon and lychee. And those who don't know what lychee is, it's like a fruit from China, and the shell is red and bumpy, and when you crack it, inside there's like a white little round ball inside, and that is white, that is shiny and squishy, slippery and squishy, and it tastes really yummy. Yep. And for the ingredients, you need these lychee flavored bubbles, and if you don't have them, then you can get them at the Asian supermarket. And if you don't have an Asian supermarket near your house, then look on the description below, and we will put a link where you can get the lychee flavored bubbles. And these are what it looks like. And you also need agave or any sweetener to make it sweet, like maple syrup or anything you'd like. And for the shake, you need fresh watermelon and lots of ice. Let's get started. But before we do, you must have an adult help you, because we need to boil hot water, and it's very dangerous to use a stove. The lychee bubbles and the shake, now we can put them together. And also for the straws for you to drink from, you need specific straws, because and they need to be big, because if they're tiny, then the lychee bubbles won't go through, and you can't drink the lychee bubbles. And perfect for the summer, and yummy. And go and ask an adult to help you and make this today. It's so good. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please smash that subscribe button. We'll see you later.